Hi, my name is Patrick Napoli. I'm the chef of Reds. I'm going to introduce this model called Hippocampus. So this is a 7 feet long. It's not like a mini Malibu, but it's a mix between a Malibu and a longboard. I mean, you can ride almost like a longboard, but in the short way. This board is very wide. It's 22 and a half, and I have a wide nose. So you are able to walk until to do like M5, and the switch on the back, and you're gonna find a narrow tail able to do nice cutbacks. So this board is like to use like in the small wave. You have here we have three concave bottom. Here you can see it. This one helps like when you're passing like the white water to pass the section, it gets like a lot of extra speed here. And here we have a tail like with a little bit deep, so to help like transition rail to rail. So the model Hippocampus, you're gonna surf like from 1 to 3 4 foot of wave, like a mushy wave, and you're gonna have a lot of fun.